Today, Burundi consumes about 50 megawatts of electricity. It sounds like a lot, but it's really quite small by international standards, being barely enough to power a small US city of 100,000 people. This electricity is mostly produced by a few government-owned small hydroelectric facilities, but it also includes electricity produced from diesel generators, which are very cost inefficient. This 50 megawatts is barely enough to keep the country functioning, and there are regular blackouts throughout the capital city of Bujumbura. In my home, I can expect to be without power roughly half of the time. Only 5% of the population of Burundi has access to electricity, barely meeting even half of the current demand, according to government statistics. And this demand is expected to double every 10 years into the foreseeable future. Over the past 5 to 10 years, most of the East Africa governments have opened up the energy sector to private business, recognizing that this is the best way to quickly and efficiently increase electricity production. Burundi has been slow to follow suit until recently, in April 2015, when the government passed a law allowing businesses to be independent power producers. Now, there is a great opportunity to develop numerous hydropower sites across the country of Burundi. Songa Energy is the first independent hydropower producer to sign an agreement with the government of Burundi under this new law. We have received exclusive rights to develop 4 small hydroelectric sites with a combined production capacity of 8.5 megawatts. Songa Energy has completed preliminary assessments of each site, and over the coming months we will perform extensive technical, economic, environmental, and social impact assessments. Our engineers will design what we call run-of-the-river hydropower plants, where a portion of the river's flow is diverted into a pipe which then runs steeply downhill to a turbine and generator. The turbine rotates rapidly as the high-pressure water flows through it, and the attached generator produces electricity, which is then sold directly onto the national grid. This design, in contrast to more typical dam and reservoir projects, has very low impact on the environment and community, and is relatively easy to construct with local manpower and materials.